Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will talk about how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. Very easy and very simple. And also without having to install additional software. Before we start the tutorial, make sure you already subscribe to this channel and get the latest content from this channel. If you have subscribed to this channel, then let's go to the tutorial. The first thing to do is click on Start button and look for the Snipping Tool. Click and run the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool has appeared. Now we are ready to take a screenshot using Snipping Tool. There are several modes for taking screenshot using Snipping Tool, which can be used as needed. Among the modes are freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, and also full screen snip. For this video, we will try the rectangular snip. So this is the result of the screenshot. Then we can edit the result of the screenshot we took. Then we can save it. If editing using Snipping Tool is not enough, we can also edit the screenshot using Paint. Don't forget to also save the result of the screenshot like in this video. If you want to take another screenshot, you can click the Snipping Tool again, and also feel free to try another modes of screenshot from the Snipping Tool. And that is how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. Please explore the screenshot tools according to your needs. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box below. That's all for this video, and see you in the next video.